come?
Yes, come in. Take your seats.
Good.
Probably,
Good
it is raining. It is probably the second time, no?
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday you came?
No sir, last Sunday.
Last Sunday you came. Introduce yourself a little bit more in a different way, if you think of.
So my name is Pragyanandan Giri. I belong to Karanjia in Moyurbanj district. And sir, I did my schooling from Saraswati Shishya Vidya Mandir, Karanjia. And I did my integrated MSc from National Institute of Science, Education and Research, Bhubaneswar. And sir, I graduated with chemistry major in 2020.
Very recently passed out.
Yes sir.
Not much of time we have taken. So what is the uniqueness of this NISER? Why this NISER as an institution has come up?
Sir,
What is the special vision for the government to being such kind of institutions?
Sir, NISER is an autonomous institution under Department of Atomic Energy. So it came up in 2007. So the basic objective was to create scientists for like BARC, like Bhabha Atomic Research Center, and also for general scientists, like in basic science like physics, chemistry, math and biology.
That's not science education. Professor, that they are supposed to inculcate science education.
Scientific.
Bring in the mind, from the mind of the people, students, science education. Integrated science education is the focus. Because you are leading 5-year program. That means you are becoming a chemist, means you are a purely trained towards a scientist.
Yes.
Okay. After that, then you are coming to administration.
India is more need of scientists than civil servants, especially Odissa's.
Okay, then what is your mind?
Sir, during school days only I was attracted towards the civil service. I have seen my father working for the state government, and therefore I decided to pursue civil service as my career in my final year.
Okay, there is no limitation. That is all. It is supposed to build up a scientist. But anyway, in the process also I thought that this can be my career that I am looking for. So getting an opportunity, I will definitely do better. That should be your answer.
Yes, Pragya, second time why you decided to come to this board for the second time? In which area you think that you are hiding behind, and for what improvement you come to the board?
Ma'am, nothing like that. Like I came like just to have a final experience before I have experience.
When is the date of your interview?
Sir, ma'am, 28th
September.
like day after tomorrow.
Let's say your name, Pragya.
Pragyanandan.
Giri.
Your subject?
Geography and Public Administration.
Geography and Public Administration. Please tell something about the type of the forest in Odisha.
Like tropical deciduous forest, like tropical moist deciduous forest and tropical dry deciduous forest, and also mangrove forest.
Mangrove forest. What are the special benefits of this mangrove forest?
Like mangrove are like wetlands, so they are carbon sinks, like they absorb carbon dioxide, and they act like ecoton, like they have both marine animals and also terrestrial animals, and they also act as barrier to tsunami or like cyclones. So these are some benefits of mangrove.
Is there any technology developed, Pragya, to assess the exact timing of the happening of earthquake?
No, that's
And
not.
its magnitude also.
Like prediction of.
Yes, prediction.
I think there is no technology.
Okay. But we are generally doing in terms of the cyclone, wind and rain also. Still that we do not have any
We
technology.
do not have any technology predict that.
So, Pragya, please tell something about the salient features of Indian federalism.
Indian federalism. Like India has unitary, like quasi-federal structure with a unitary bias. Like if we look at the federal aspects, like we have states and the center. Our like the lists are divided into central list and state list and concurrent list. But state has a center has more power than the states in terms of this list. In case of concurrent list, if center pass a law and state pass a law, the central law over override the state law. And also we have integrated judiciary, which is not the case in US federal regime. And also All India Service, which is a unitary bias aspect. And these are some patterns.
Okay, you are telling the critical aspects of Indian federalism, but I told you about the simple characteristics of the Indian federalism. That I am telling your answer. In simple language, you could tell that there is a division of power between the state and center, and there is all India services, and there is also dual citizenship, single citizenship, integrated judiciary. So these are the salient, simple features. But while I will talk that how critically you look at the Indian federal structure, then you could tell that it's a quasi-judicial center is more powerful than the states, and instead of the dual citizenship, we have the single citizenship, and state center is more powerful than the states. Like this, these are the, I think, some of the limitations of our federal structures. But so whenever coming to the simple provisions, you have to tell the simple provisions.
Okay.
Please tell something about the judicial review. What is called judicial review?
The judicial review is given under Article 13. So it tells that the Supreme Court and High Court have powers to review the law and the ordinance passed by the central government or the parliament. And they can also declare a law as void if that is not constitutionally, it is not constitutionally right. This is judicial.
It is told that Indian executive revolves around the clock of the legislature. Indian executive revolves around the clock of the legislature. How could you justify? Please tell something about this statement.
Like the Council of Ministers, they are
Yes,
responsible
yes.
to the Lok Sabha. And so that's why this line is for. Also they have dual membership, like the members of the legislative only, they act as executive. So this is why this is for.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଲାଉଡ୍ କରିଦେ, ଟିକେ ଲାଉଡ୍ କର। ସେଇପାରିବେ?
ଟିକେ ଜୋର କର, ଶୁଭୁନି କିଛି।
ମୁର୍ଦା ଶୁନି, ମାନେ ବସ୍, ହେଲା?
Executive is responsible to the legislature for all its omissions and commissions also, and executive has to implement the decisions taken by the legislature. The policies and programs that are being taken and decided by the legislature, it is the executive who has to implement. And the primary function of the judiciary is to see that whether the legislature and executive are acting on in line of the constitutional norms and rules. That also you can tell at the time of judicial review also. Okay, just 3 days back our Honorable Prime Minister had US visit, and he had also speech in the UN General Assembly. Could you just figure out 2-3 points? What was the major focus on addressing the topic of our Honorable Prime Minister?
In UNG,
Yes.
one aspect I remember is like he talked about integral humanism of Deen Dayal Upadhyay, and he also talked about
So who is Deen Dayal Upadhyay?
he was one of the founder of Johnson.
In Deen Dayal Upadhyay also, Pragya, there is a scheme, a major scheme for employment. Do you know?
Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana.
DDU-GKY.
Yes.
Yes. That is being implemented by which department in Odisha? DDU-GKY?
At central level, I know. At state level, I don't know.
It is Panchayat Raj and Drinking Water Department. It is under the implementation of the Panchayat Raj Department. Okay. Central, please.
And he also talked about not to use the territory of Afghanistan for like terrorism or to.
Political protest, the political advantage. Yes.
Yes. And I am unable to recall. Like, he also talked about that every 6th person in the world is Indian. So when India grows, the world grows, and when
Yes.
India reforms, the world transforms. So these are few.
Yes, exact speech. No? You are just recollecting the exact speech. Thank you, sir.
Have you heard about National Green Tribunal?
Yes.
Give some functions of NGT.
Like NGT, like it hears the cases of environmental issues, and like if there is an issue in the environment impact assessment, and so I'm unable to check
What is perigee and FE?
perigee and active. So it is the position of Earth with respect to the Sun. So Earth revolves around the Sun in a helical space, in the helical way. So opposite perigee are 2 points. Check
Which is small, means the smallest.
perigee is smallest, I think, and apogee is furthest.
What is Havana syndrome?
So Havana syndrome, it is like when US diplomats, they have faced this Havana syndrome recently. So I think some microwave weapons are being used on the American diplomats. So they are suffering like syndromes like headache and like some illness is there. So that is called Havana syndrome.
Memory loss. Headache, memory loss. What is laughing gas?
Sir, nitrous oxide N2O.
Why it is called laughing gas?
If we come in contact with that gas, so laughing sensation is there. That's
People go on laughing. People go on laughing.
next.
Maybe you understand.
As a student of chemistry, you can understand.
That's right.
In science there is nothing maybe. In social relations there may be your opinion.
So
I actually, sorry to interrupt, it's a top-up file. Just 2 months back I suffered in dengue. From returning to the office, I had a high fever on the way. Just returning from the office, it's 101 something like that. Before coming to the home, I went to the KIMS. The KIMS, I told that I have suddenly shivering and high fever. Then they did some injections injections, and they told that please, I told that I am feeling pain. They nurses told that please apply laughing gas, one injection or like that. They told that perhaps this is tranquilizing the pains or like that.
So suppose you become an administrator. You heard that the hotels are engaging the minor children. Okay. So how will you react? How will you take action?
like child labor is illegal under the constitutional provisions like Article 24 also.
Sure, people.
Yes, sir. So there is the Prevention of Child Labor Act is there. So I will take action like it is alleged illegal. So I will take action according to the laws.
ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଛି ହେବ ଆକ୍ସନ୍, କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଙ୍ଗ ପ୍ରହାରରେ କାମ କରାଯାଇପାରିବ। ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ୍ ନେବ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି 100% ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ମିଳିବ। ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ତ ଧଡ଼ ଧଡ଼ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ନେଇଗଲେ କ'ଣ ସେ ବି କରିବ ଲୋକ ଇଏ ବି କରିବ, ସେ କରିବ ଛୁଆଟା ତାର ଖାଇବାକୁ ପାଇବନି ଗଲା, ସେ ବି ଆସିଲା ସେଇଟା କେମିତି ହାଉ ୟୁ have a constructive approach.
Like enrolling that students under the Right to Education Act.
ଆଗେ ତାଠୁ ତା କ୍ଲଚ୍ରୁ ମୁକ୍ତ କରିବ କି ନାହିଁ,
Yes, sir.
ମୁକ୍ତ କରିବ, କାଉନ୍ସେଲିଂ କରିବ, ତାପରେ ତାକୁ ଆମର ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ୍ ଅଫିସର ଇଜ୍ ଦେୟାର, ସୋସିଆଲ ୱେଲଫେୟାର ଅଫିସର ଇଜ୍ ଦେୟାର, Indian police also there, all the stakeholders ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ନବ ଜାଗାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ। Straightforward action. What is the action? Hobby tomorrow on.
So I have mentioned traveling and exploring new places.
Traveling and
Exploring new places.
mentioning means
Exploring.
I told that I have mentioned this.
Yes, sir.
Is it mentioning or it is real hobby?
No, sir, real.
Travel. How many places you have traveled in India?
Sir, I'll tell the
visited
name.
Northeast,
Yes, Sikkim I visited.
Western India.
Sir, Pune, Maharashtra and this Western Ghat.
Great, sir. What about Kashmir?
Sir, I am not from class.
Uttarakhand?
No, sir.
Odisha रे को district सब
Odisha, sir, Mayurbhanj and Bhubaneswar, Baleshwar, then in south, Koraput and that Kalahandi and Sambalpur and Sundargarh. Almost 50% district I have.
सब एरिया देंगे.
No, sir. Like 50% I have.
तो जो मैं कहले जो ट्रैवलिंग तो कौन सेटा मीन कौन को
Sir, like, I love traveling, like traveling by bus or traveling by railway. I love to explore new places.
ओके ओके तो हम सर ट्रैवलिंं हॉबी टाइप
No, traveling is a very good hobby.
Very good.
That is also
Exploring new places,
yes,
exploring new
that is a
culture.
very good hobby.
Visiting places means exploring new people, exploring new culture, exploring new land. There are many things new that you are going to explore. So try to connect in that way. Create a bigger picture of things. Just don't remain with multiple choice answers while discussing with people. And somebody approach also say that, otherwise best of the things are with you. Good personality and
And from
then
the
right
very-
age at which you are entering, just after passing out, and then immediately you are in your scope and there is a chance that you are answering everything somehow or other. So there are two areas where you need to improve. One is connecting questions with a broader answer and then little louder.
You like police services more?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Who is your role model nowadays from police point of view?
I mean, Odisha, I am saying.
Ah yes, everybody from Odisha
I
and
follow
India.
like Arun Batra, sir.
Arun Batra.
Is there anything special about it?
Like he solves very important cases.
Hmm?
He solved very important cases recently.
Right?
Like that Noyagarh case and before that Patnagarh bomb case. Like,
Yes.
like you know.
Patnagarh bomb case was very successful. But
Oh.
body case has not been totally sorted out. One of the things are in the Supreme Court. Noyagarh case.
Okay, any feedback you need from us?
Sir, like that, and sir, how to, why I changed from chemistry to biochemistry, being neither research related.
There was an institute to create scientists and to create a scientific integrated scientific science education for the students. That doesn't mean that you will serve only to the advisor or to the science departments of the country or the state. That doesn't mean that. So you are nothing to care on that. I have passed out from that institution. If they ask for the institution has a motto like this. So they want to create students with integrated science education, where they completely focus on a particular subject to grow. But anyway, this is the education that I have taken, and then I got interested to come to civil
Like,
service.
sir, if they can ask, like, I have wasted that Inspire scholarship. Like,
It's not necessary. It is
It
building your own knowledge base. It is building your own career. So all these things have been utilized, and those knowledge, those skill and those aptitudes are with me now for the administrative services. So you can remain that. Whatever I have acquired in that institution with this integrated education, in the science frame of mind, I think I am the best resource to contribute towards the administration. But take it in a positive way, just say. Nothing that nobody is there to limit you, to where the condition is there that the students will only become scientists, nothing else. That's what not there. Taking us to give integrated science education. Mayurbhanj district facility. Answer the बच्चा दिन से तो university.
tribal development.
Tribal subplans are only ITD and ITD, Integrated Tribal Development Agency.
Yes, sir, my father works in ITD.
कितने
Sir, my father works in ITD.
कितने ITD है
Sir,
सीट
तो चेक को देखियो.
Preventive
tribes are-
other things काम करते कितना how much करमजिया बोलते सेपरेट पारिपदा कप्तिपदा बिग बिग एरिया
ठीक है. Primitive tribe मानकर attributes, characteristics, को tribe रो कौन characteristics where they are settling, where they are staying.
କେତେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ପପୁଲେସନ ଇନ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶା କେତେ
ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଟିକେ
In Mayurbhanj 60%. On Odisha,
କେତେଟା ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଅଛି ପ୍ରିମିଟିଭ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଗ୍ରୁପ କେତେ
13 villages in Odisha.
ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷ ଟିକେ ପାରିକି ଯିବ I think there is not much of issue with you.
No.
କିଛିଟା ମିସ୍ କରିବ ବସ୍ but you remain cool and go on answering whatever.
Will do well.
Okay. All the best. Let's hope that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, perhaps you are the last candidate, sir.
Thirty days.
Yes.
How can I
What?
do this?
Last candidate, no? Pragyanandan
Yes, ma'am.
Giri. Okay. So you will do test. We hope that your name find it placed in the top of the list.
Pragya Priyambada.
No, Pragyanandan Giri.
Pragyanandan.
What is your phone number, Pragya?
9937
9937
645
645
344
3. Okay. Wish all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.